What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Drift because this coin is for the past couple of days pumping really well, and right now we are also forming a really interesting trading setup. So if you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today on a 30-minute chart. You can see that from this low to this high, we did a pump around like 400% under 1 day, which is absolutely crazy. So if we will take a look, for example, on the current levels, this coin is in the, let's say, long time perspective, really overbought, but it doesn't mean that it can't go any higher because historically we are in the price discovery phase, which means that historically we don't have any interesting supports or resistances here. So for the price, it's not that big of a deal to do a bigger moves. Right now, we are forming here this falling wedge, and first potential long opportunity will be valid here in case of breakout and then a support confirmation. Definitely you don't want to open any of the new trading positions in this falling wedge because we can be bouncing just like this. But if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, it can be a good long opportunity. Stop loss in this case you want to place somewhere back to this falling wedge, because if there will be breakdown again with a resistance confirmation, then the price is going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. And your last take profit target you can place to a new all-time high, but always when I am, let's say, speculating on a price discovery phase, which means that we will break a current all-time high, I am speculating on risk-reward ratio around 10. So if the stop loss will be like 6.2% of a net market, then you simply want to place your last take profit target at slightly under $3 mark. Probably you can place it sooner to the $3 mark because this will be next important psychological resistance, and this trade can give you potential risk to reward up to almost 11, which is really good. But don't forget that we have here this bearish order block, which is between levels 2.30 and 2.026. So definitely some of the profits you want to take under this area and also in this area. Then some of the profits you want to take under the current all-time high, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So from a risk reward ratio like 11, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 8.2, something like that, which is in my opinion still absolutely wonderful setup. So yeah, this is a first potential trade that you can take on this coin. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Another potential trade that you can take here will be valid in case of a retest of this bullish order block. This bullish order block is between levels 1.214 and 1.161. And here I have like two conditions. As I said, we are forming here this falling wedge, but let's say to this setup to be valid, I want to see here a liquidity grab also under this support of this falling wedge. So the market needs to do, for example, something like this. So as I said, I want to see here a liquidity grab under this support of this falling wedge and also under this bullish order block. So if the market will do something like this, and then we will do again a support confirmation in this falling wedge and above the bullish order block, so probably it will look, for example, like this, let's say, then in this point you want to open here a long trade. Stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So let's assume it will be like 11, maybe like 10.8%, something like that. It will be quite a big stop loss. But your last take profit target you can again place on a risk reward ratio 10. So if you will, for example, place it on like a $3 mark, which I think this can be definitely a case, your risk reward ratio is going to be like 15.1, which is really great. Again, in this case, you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you want to take under this resistance, then again under this bearish order block, in this bearish order block, under this current high, and under, let's say, the $3 mark, which will be next important psychological resistance. So in the end, you are looking for risk reward ratio 11, 10, something like that. So yeah, this is another really wonderful setup. Also, don't forget that if you are trading a volatile altcoin like this, you don't want to risk, for example, more than 0.5% of your trading capital, because there is still pretty high probability that we can, for example, go to like these previous low levels. I know it can be like an interesting buying opportunities. If we will get again that low, I will be definitely doing another video on this coin. But right now, if you will trade both of these scenarios, then I would recommend you to trade, let's say, something between 0.5 to like 1% of your trading capital, because yeah, you can make here really huge gains, but trading let's say such a volatile altcoin like this is really risky. If we will take a look on a higher time frame, you can see that historically in this area we don't have here any liquidity. So like right now, we can go definitely to a moon. I really wouldn't be surprised, because this is still a low market cap, that we can go in, let's say, upcoming days or weeks to like $5 mark, maybe 7, something like that. But still, this coin, as I said, I need to say it again, it is really risky to open a trading position. And if you, for example, like right now, try to catch this move and you are, let's say, in a FOMO, which means that you think that like you're not gonna catch a price and it will pump even more, then probably do not buy into this coin, because the probability of a successful trade is against you. In this video, I show you 2 setups that I will be buying, or like I will be trading if those conditions that I talked about will be met. If you want to know about my exact trades, then definitely I will be really happy if you join to my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. But besides that, if the market will be doing anything else, I won't be opening any of my new long trades, because then the strategy or like the perfect setup is not met. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. As I said, I will be really happy if you join my Discord trading group, or if you, for example, consider subscribe to my YouTube channel so you wouldn't miss out on any of my new videos. And I will see you in my next video. See ya.